This video would demonstrate how to host and how to play a Blooket. So when I log into Blooket, this takes me right to my home screen, and my home screen has my sets. So if you watch the video on how to create a Blooket, I'm going to use that example for the game that I'm going to play now. So I find that game, and there I'm going to hit host. And when I hit host, this will take me to the different versions that we can play. So there's Crypto Hack, Gold Quest, Tower Defense, Cafe, Factory, Battle Royale, Racing, Crazy Kingdom, Tower of Doom, and the classic version. So there's quite a lot of varieties you can pick from. For this demonstration, I'm going to go with Gold Quest. So I chose the game. Now I'm going to hit host game. And normally you can set it by time or you can set an amount of gold. It doesn't really matter because we're not going to play an entire game right now, so I'll just keep it on time. But you can have the instructions shown, you can allow students to join late, and also if you are not comfortable with your students creating their own names, you can have the game generate names for them. So once you're ready, you're going to hit host now, and you are going to display this code to your students. If you're doing this virtually, you can copy the join link and send it to students. If you're using Zoom or Google Meet, you can send that to the chat. So students are going to enter the code 754817. As you can see, I have 3 students joined already, and on the screen on the right, I'm going to show what it would look like from a student screen. So students go to blooket.com/play, and that'll take them to this page where they enter the game ID, or they could use the link if you are sending the link. So they enter the code, they enter their name, and now on my teacher page, you can see that I have 4 students in. On my student page, I'm waiting for the host to begin. As the students are waiting, they can play around and choose their little icon if they want. So now that I have 4 students in, I'm going to go ahead and start the game. So it gives the students directions. If you are doing this virtually, you're going to want to share the directions. If you're doing this in the class, you can always display this on the smartboard. So you can see on my teacher screen, I'm waiting for the students to play. On my student screen, students have the problem and they enter the answer. So 2 times 7, I would hit 14. They got it correct. Click anywhere to go next. So now the students get to choose a chest, and this one gave me 50 gold. As you can see the student scores changing on the left for the teacher screen. You can see that there's a timer up top, and the students, as they're playing, they can see their gold, and they can continue to play. So this one I get to take 10% from someone, and so on. So this is just a brief overview of Blooket. Thank you for watching.